Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Curve Finance application to your Trust Wallet. This is going to be after the iPhone ban on the dApps browser inside of your Trust Wallet. So if you guys are wondering how to connect to the Curve Finance application after that ban, just stay tuned. So obviously, if we go in here to our Trust Wallet, we don't see our dApps browser at the bottom anymore. So if you just head over to the Curve Finance website and open that up, it's going to automatically ask you to select a wallet. So at this point, if you just click on Show More here, we'll see an option for Wallet Connect. So if you just click on Wallet Connect, it'll just give us an option here to choose our preferred wallet. In this case, we're going to be using Trust Wallet. And then right here, it's going to ask us to connect again. So we just click on Connect one more time and head back to our browser. And we'll know our wallet's connected when it says Change Wallet instead of Add Wallet at the top. And then we should be all good to go to start swapping using all the Curve pools here. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you how to connect the Curve Finance app to your Trust Wallets. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.